How to collaborate on Instagram after posting. Let's get started. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. Launch your Instagram. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different icons. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. With that you will land to your profile page. Make sure you have set your Instagram account to the public account. Now head towards the post that you want to collaborate for. After you open the post, at the top right corner, you will find three dots. Click on it. Different options will appear. Head towards the option of edit. You will find the option of tag people, add location and edit, but you won't find the option to collaborate. So what you can do is head back, click on your profile icon. Now click on three bars. Now scroll all the way down after you land to the settings and activity page. Now click on the option of help. Click on report a problem. Click on report problem without shaking. Click on don't include and continue. Now over here you have to explain about the issue that you are not able to collaborate on your Instagram account after posting. Once you type in that, you can send it. So that way you will be able to collaborate on Instagram. Well, this is how you can collaborate on Instagram after posting. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.